Just a small intro. I end up checking offers even for socks. That is how most of us are. But when I came to know about these items, all I thought was, who wears such a dress and for what occasion? Today at Simply Curious, we got curious and baffled to check out the 10 most expensive dresses ever. Let's get on with it. But before that, Simply Curious has been triggering your curiosity for quite some time. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do, and don't forget to share our content with your loved ones as well. Now for the list. Number 10, Givenchy, 6.55 crores. One of the most recognized images in cultural history, Audrey Hepburn's little black dress from the cult classic Breakfast at Tiffany's sold at Christie's in New York for just shy of $1 million. Number 9, Rihanna's 2015 Met Gala gown, 7.5 crores. Guo Pei is known as China's Queen of Couture, and this dress is very much in her wheelhouse, structured, regal, and with a lot of gold. And this does not come cheap. The gown is expected to go on sale for $1 to $2 million at Sotheby's. Number 8, the Peacock Wedding Dress, 10.9 crores. A peacock farm in Linyi, northern China's Shandong province, has created a wedding gown which is made out of more than 3,000 peacock feathers. According to farm owner Ki Yun, it took 3,150 feathers collected from more than 200 male peacocks to make the dress. This took about 2 months to put together, and the dress became extremely controversial for using so many feathers. Number 7, Christian Dior, 14.57 crores or $2 million. This form-fitting chartreuse column gown was worn by Nicole Kidman to the 1997 Oscars, one of John Galliano's first big commissions for the brand. The unusual color choice was a risk, but that clearly paid off. Number 6, Serena Williams' bridal dress, $3.5 million or 25 crores. Serena Williams' Alexandra McQueen dress, designed by Sarah Burton, complete with a cascading cape and sweetheart neckline, made history as the most expensive wedding dress of all time, at a whopping $3.5 million price tag. And this was not even Williams' only dress. She made 2 other changes over the course of the night. Number 5, William Travelli, $5.6 million or 40 crore rupees. No iconic dress list would be complete without an entry from Marilyn Monroe. Her ivory-pleated subway dress from the much-loved 1955 film The 7-Year Itch sold for $5.6 million in a 2011 Beverly Hills auction. Number 4, Yumi Katsura, $8.3 million or 60 crore rupees. Undoubtedly one of the most ostentatious gowns by the Japanese designer, Katsura did not hold back on looks, finishes, and fabrics for this wedding gown designed in 2006. The dress is draped in more than 1,000 pearls, and propped onto the waist of the dress is a 5-carat white gold diamond and an 8.8-carat green diamond. Number 3, a diamond-studded wedding gown, $15 million or 109 crore rupees. Egyptian designer Hani El Baheri made an expensive wedding gown with several hundreds of diamonds and precious stones. The wedding gown is valued at $15 million, and the diamonds and stones give a beautiful detail to the dress. It has a long train and lace veil which is studded with even more diamonds. The dress took 800 hours of work and was ordered by the daughter of a rich Egyptian family. Number 2, Rennie Strauss and Martin Katz, $16.2 million or 118 crore rupees. When the famed couturier and the celebrity jeweler came together to design the most expensive dress in the world, it was a match made in fashion heaven. In the year 2006, the duo threaded a gown with an impressive 150 carats worth of diamonds scattered across the bodice, with the gown retailing for a cool $16.2 million. The dress was presented to no doubt astounded onlookers at the Ritz-Carlton in California. Number 1. The Nightingale of Kuala Lumpur, $30 million or 218 crore rupees. When something has a name as distinctive as the Nightingale of Kuala Lumpur, chances are good that it stands out in more than one sense. In this case, it is the name of the dress that is estimated to be worth $30 million, which can be attributed to its creation by a well-known Malaysian designer named Faiz Ali Abdullah, as well as the cost of the materials that went into it. Some examples range from chiffon, silk, to Swarovski crystals and 751 diamonds. The result is certainly stunning, but the cost is stunning as well for a wholly different reason. The costliest dress I have is my wedding dress that is sitting in my closet after I wore it once, and I'm feeling so bad about it, and that does not cost more than 15,000 rupees. 218 crore rupees. Do let us know in the comment section below as to which is the costliest dress you have purchased in your life and what you think about these 10 dresses.